Hey, what's up, guys? Sorry I didn't film anything yesterday into Cibbet Flats. Just got busy and then basically ADD distracted. But so off the PCT yesterday, camped down in the Cibbet Flats. It was mild, I'd say, in temperature, but it rained all night, and which I don't know. It was fine. Slept a little better, but still struggling. I think I need to get a wider pad. I think that's my biggest issue. Maybe a different sleeping bag, honestly. I think it's just too hot. But I'll figure it out as I go. So, but here we go. It is around 6:45-ish, and headed up to Mount Laguna, where I've got like a little hostel, and shower, wash my clothes, reevaluate, pick up a box for food, and then head on out to Scissors Crossing the next day. So I'll see you guys later. But it is a pretty awesome morning. I mean, I showed you guys already kind of, but this hill climb out of here is 0.7 miles from the trail, so it's actually a little climb. But all right, guys, see you later. Well, holy shit. I'm just getting into Mount Laguna here, about a half a mile out. It's 9:30. Let's just say I hauled ass up that mountain. I left at around 6:45, 7, and it's 9 miles total, so here I am. Anyways, cold, wind's blowing, sun's kind of spotty off and on. I wish it would stay out, but I'm pretty hungry and I need to eat something, and hopefully I'll be able to check into my hostel early. We'll see, but glad I'm here. But okay, I'm gonna update some videos and upload day 2, and then this one is 3. Obviously some of these are going to be delayed, guys. I don't have service and it's really difficult to edit and attend and stuff, so just be patient for videos. They will be coming out. All right. Talk to you guys later tonight. See ya. Crazy.